Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will talk about how to change your Gmail password. First thing to know is that you don't change the password in your specific Gmail settings here, but in the overall Google account settings. So the Gmail password is connected to your overall Google accounts, which gives you access to all the Google's applications that you can see here, including of course Gmail. So the password will change for all Google applications at the same time. To change your Google password, we click on our Google icon, which of course means that you need to be logged in. You can also simply open your Google on a tab, and on the top right corner click on your profile icon and select manage your Google account. Now we have to go on security. Scroll down a little bit. You can see this signing into Google option. Next we have to click on the password line right here, and now we have to enter our current password to verify ourselves. So after entering the password, just tap on this next button. Then this window will appear for you. You have to enter your new password now. Then again just confirm the new password. After doing this, just tap on this change password and we are all done. So you have to just remember, this does not only change the password of your Gmail access, this changes the password for all the Google applications. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe this channel. Thank you.